I found a new way to the life eternity. Now I swear I say I found a new way. So many times I have tried to be like others I know, but deep down in my inside, small voice I hear. No, 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 the Lord is my King. To the life eternity.